Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Journal Citation Reports. This database measures research influence and impact in the sciences and social sciences at the journal and subject category level by showing the relationship between citing and cited journals in the Web of Science. You would use this resource to determine how influential a particular journal in a field is, or to determine journal relationships based on citation connections. We'll be starting in the Web of Science, which is another database published by Clarivate Analytics, formerly Thomson Reuters. Let's search for one of our faculty here at Drake Bryan Gentry. From the pull down, I'll select Author and then Search. From the results list, let's look at article number 7. So you'll see the title and the abstract information listed below. And then right here, you'll see this article is published in Biochemical Pharmacology. And if I select the View Journal Information link, you'll see that in particular, this journal is ranked in quartile 1 in Journal Citation Reports, which is the top 25% of the subject category of pharmacology and pharmacy. And in particular, it is ranked 18 out of 255. You will also see the impact factor listed here, as well as the 5-year impact factor, and we'll get into the specifics of these citation metrics when we look at JCR. So we're going to go ahead and flip into JCR, or Journal Citation Reports. So we are brought to Journal Citation Reports specifically for the Biochemical Pharmacology Journal. And if I scroll down and I select Journal Impact Factor, it'll give us some more information about the impact factor for this journal. So impact factor is a measure of the average number of times articles from the journal published in the past 2 years have been cited in the JCR year. The impact factor is calculated by dividing the number of citations in the JCR year by the total number of articles published in the 2 previous years. For the 5-year impact factor, I'm going to go ahead and select that as well. The 5-year journal impact factor is the average number of times articles from the journal published in the past 5 years have been cited in the JCR year. It is calculated by dividing the number of citations in the JCR year by the total number of articles published in the 5 previous years. Generally, the higher the impact factor, the more prestigious the journal is considered to be for a subject area. So let's scroll down a little. And on the left-hand side, you'll see journal relationships, which is a really helpful tool that you can use when you're trying to determine other valuable or related journals in a subject area. So you'll see here, it has a nice visual representation of citing data, or the 20 journals most cited by biochemical pharmacology, so the outbound citations. And if I flip it to cited data, it lists the 20 journals that contributed the most citations to that journal, so the inbound citations. So a really nice and helpful tool when you're looking for other similar journals. If you go to JCR in the top left and select this, it brings you to the main page. And on the main page, you can search for whatever journal you're interested in, or you can search for a category. Or if you go to categories by rank, let's say I'm interested in environmental sciences here. If I select that, and then I select the 225, it'll list the top journals for this subject area and their impact factors. So if you have any questions about this database, please feel free to contact any one of your librarians. Thank you.